Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this tutorial, we will explore the Unassigned Signers feature in SigniFlow and how it can be used to streamline your signing process. The Unassigned Signers feature provides a flexible and efficient solution for managing documents when all signers are not yet known, ensuring a seamless signing process from start to finish. Once you have logged in to your SigniFlow account, begin by uploading the document that requires signatures. From the dashboard, simply select or drag in your file to initiate the process. Next, navigate to the Recipients tab to view and manage your list of signers. Before adding recipients, open the Customize tab and enable the Nominated Signers option. Once this setting is activated, you will notice that the Signers action updates to Signs with Others. You can now add your known signers as usual. If some signers have not yet been confirmed, you can add unassigned signers by clicking the Add button beneath an existing signer. This allows you to create placeholder roles that can be assigned at a later stage. After your recipients have been added, proceed to place the necessary signature fields for both confirmed and nominated signers. Once all fields are correctly positioned, continue to the next step and release your document for signing. When the document is opened for signature, SigniFlow will prompt you to enter the first name, last name, and email address of each nominated signer. After completing this information, you may proceed with your own signature, and SigniFlow will automatically route the document to the nominated signatories for completion. That is how you add unassigned signers in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.